just big me, nigga. Boom. I'm really like that. And your best work is a light pack, nigga. Prince outlived Mike Jack, nigga. Boom. For all your dogs getting buried, that's a K with all these nines. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga.
Young dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in Balenciagas if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that. Dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in Balenciagas if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
Came bringing dope niggas, was John slanging powder. Walk in a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and now I got my phantom in my driver. Perked out, took chances in my hood like Nevada. Surfed out outside, white interior lasagna. 100,000s, I just cashed out on designer. Came bringing dope niggas, John slanging and powder. Walk in a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and now I got my phantom in my driver.
Don't always pick up when you home. You only want me around just to break your phone. I'm leaving. I just really want your night and day. 'Cause you can't even give me your night and day. When you say what, like you say what. Baby, why you say you could if you can't? Oh no. Hey, yeah. Either you don't trust me, or you don't trust yourself. Either way, but we say, 'cause you know night and day we can't trust nobody else. And I won't make you mine, just 'cause you can't stand to be yours. Just tell me what you need, baby girl, I'll sell your seats. Just meet me at the shore. So move to Atlanta, fill up your plan, go and get your life on track. Baby, do what you gotta, I ain't gon' stop ya. I ain't even mad, but I want ya, I can't deny it. You got the drive, forget about the mileage, and we could try it just for right now. Just let me know when you're back in town. Don't always be good when you call. You only want me around just to break your phone. I'm leaving, but I just really want your night and day. You can't even give me your night or day when you say you would. Like you say you would. Like you say you could if you can. No, no. Yeah, yeah. Baby, why you always passive? I can see it in your last text. Fuck it, I ain't even gon' reply. I'ma snap just like a last and maybe put you in the past tense. If you don't speak in your mind, why is it always up to me? Open up a conversation if you fuck with me. Baby, are you ever supposed to love on me? If you don't love yourself, and that's basic. I say I'm my favorite. You ask what I'm playing and what the fuck? I don't really know what to say, so I'll send a latex like the shit was safe sex. You go boy. Now I'm losing my mind and I'm wasting my time. Baby girl, just get out the house and come and see me. Oh no, 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 no.
5:30, the call missing. No text backs or call misses. I feel like we all victims. Docs is getting long. Drunk testing, I should not do Patron. I hop on the phone, turn the music up, got in my zone. Drunk texting, I should probably Supertron. Had to do wrong, order to do you right. You gotta go through it, order to give advice. It's the price of the litty nights. I know the liquor hitting. Why when somebody break your heart, it help fix your vision. If you fall in love with a demon or a diva, pray your soulmate got a soul when you meet her. The crystal ball couldn't tell me if they'll leave again. Problems too extra large to share with a medium. We fight not for flesh and blood on this level. And devil's advocate is advocating for the devil. And love is all draining and stop. It's all fatal. We used to be secretive, but now it's all blatant. It's all just lost, ain't it? Watching it all cave in. We the topic of conversation.
What's good, chat?
5:30, the car missing.
How we doing, chat?
No texting, just call missing. You right, we both tripping. It's game time. Matter of fact, it's shade time. The past year been a strange time. Visitations on FaceTime. And who gon' break whose heart first? Always just breaks mine. Looking for blessings that God hand me. I'm trying to just raise the family. Somebody should raise the nanny. I'm trying to leave you alone, but that last text was courtesy of Patron. 5:30, the car missing. Emotions, it's all distance. No text, it's call missing. We fighting, you won't listen. You right, we both tripping. The car missing. Is this what you call distance?
How you feeling, chat? How you feeling, chat? 23 yesterday. Hey, welcome to the fam, chat. Eric, I mean. About kind of tired. I ain't gonna lie, kind of just woke up. But welcome to the fam, bro. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. My bro Bardini looking clean. Thank you, my guy. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. You know I gotta look clean for the stream. You know I gotta look clean for the stream. We're feeling shit, but we need to break the losing streak. It's alright, bro. Soon you'll have a winning streak. Zoom and record. Alright, let me not forget this time. Zoom and record. Alright. Let me start Zoom as well. What's up, bro? What's up, Kareem? Yo, Kareem, I've never seen you stream, Kareem. Why is that? Why do I never see you on stream? Send the invite link. Hold on. Alright, Zoom link is sent. That's not the Zoom link. Hold on, that's not the Zoom link. That's the wrong link. It's the wrong link. Now the Zoom link is sent. Because I used to be in Zooms, bro. Oh, that makes sense. Alright, chat. You know what? Today, we're not gonna waste any time. Today we're gonna get straight into the analysis, alright? What's good, Morpho? Today, we're gonna get straight into the analysis. Oh, let me get my coffee here. Maybe I should turn on the light. Hold on. I think that's better. Oh, that was not better. I need to buy a better light, man. Ah, it is what it is for now. We'll leave it like this. Yeah, Chad, we caught this conversation yesterday, by the way. Yesterday at like 2 a.m. my time, I caught this conversation play, or I sent it up in signals as well, around 20 something pips. And then I did try to catch a swing sell, right? And I did catch this top. Where is it? I did catch this top right here, and we entered somewhere there at 71. And we did catch this whole move down, and I closed partials around here, but yeah, we did not get the whole move. I wanted us to break below and drive. We didn't get the whole move. We only got like until here somewhere. So it was sad. It looked very nice. It looked very nice. Right, I went to sleep because the thing is, we came down here, right? We came down here and I was like, okay, I had like 55 pips, and I was like, okay, close partials at 55. And move stops to break even because I'm going to sleep, right? And I don't want to hold this through the night when I'm sleeping. And then I woke up and and unfortunately we had hit break even with the rest of the position. But hey, we move, we take those. God damn. God damn. Bless you, thank you. When are our competition coming? God damn. Bro, I was about to take that play, but I thought the candle after it invalidated it. No, man. That play was fine. Yo, anybody here allergic to pollen? That shit sucks, man. Shit sucks, bro. I'm literally allergic to nature. God has nerfed me, man. I got nerfed. I'm recording, HC, thank you. Okay, let's get into the analysis, guys. Let's not waste any more time. Hold on, my nose is like, I'm like at the verge of sneezing again, but it doesn't want to come out. Okay, daily. Let it out. I'm trying to force it out. It doesn't want to come out. Alright. So if we look at the daily here, we have a no bottom wick on the daily. Now, we did an analysis on the daily candles a while ago, where we analyzed the probability of daily candles with no wicks, right? And we could also just do this, right? So the probability is around maybe 95% that a daily candle gets both a bottom and top wick. Around 95% is probability, right? And now, if we look at the daily and we look at the previous what is this? Previous year. We look at the previous year. This is April 2023. So we look at the previous year, right? And we look, okay, how many daily candles are there with no bottom wick or no top wick, right? That close with no bottom wick or no top wick. We have a few, right? We have a few. Now we ask another question. How many of them didn't get compensated for? So how many daily candles with no wicks did not get compensated for? And then we look, okay, this got compensated. This got compensated. Okay, we have one, we have two. Right, so out of all these candles, the whole year, 1 year, guys, 1 year, 12 months. QTC hasn't even existed in 1 year. Imagine 1 year, it's a long time in trading. In 1 year, we got 2 daily candles out of 365 that didn't have a wick and didn't get compensated for. Right? Which means that this has 2 possibilities here. Either we flip and get a bottom wick, or we come down to the next daily and compensate for it. Which means what? Which means that we are bearish. Which means that we are very bearish to come down, at least to compensate for it. We're very bearish to at least compensate for this wick. That is what it means. Probability wise is what it means. Not feeling, no nothing, just straight probability, straight price action history. That's what history tells us. Right? So then we play off of that, meaning we just wait now. We just wait for price to come down and give us an opportunity, and we take sells. Pretty easy, right? For the daily flip, we'll look for a lower time frame reversal, for a higher time frame continuation, right? Now let's go down to the 4 hour. See, let me just remove my zones. Okay. Hold on. All right, so we look on the 4 hour for some areas of rejection. We do have a very strong area of rejection up here on the 4 hour, around these areas, I would say. And let's see here. Maybe even here. It's tapping the top of that rejection area right now, right? So 4 has a high chance of rejection here. High chance of rejecting here. We are tapping right into that rejection area. The other one that we're going to tap to if we break above is going to be this one right here, but I do not believe we need to tap that one. I do believe this is good, right? And we also have an imbalance to fill now, which is good. So it looks like a good reversal pattern here. Now let's go down to the hour, 30 minutes on the hourly and see where we can draw our zones. We do have a zone, a little choppy area here, guys, but we do have a zone right here. I'd say around right. Let's say around there. Should be pretty good. Taking into account the wicks here. Around there should be pretty good. Around there should be pretty good. I mean, yeah, I like that area. I guess the other one is around here. Okay, this is a little tougher range here. But I guess somewhere like something like this, just to not get faked out. Slightly lower, just a tap there. Yeah, it's an annoying range, guys. This is an annoying range. I mean, maybe if you put it there instead. Either you put another one there, or you... Because don't reject it too often. Reject it here once. Let's see. Wait. Around there should be pretty good. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. That's a slightly better area. Little choppy ranges here, guys. I'm trying my best to make the as clean range as possible. $40 pips, 35. 40. Okay, the ranges are decent size. Decent size ranges. Okay, guys, so I do sense some liquidity here. I do see some liquidity right here below these lows, right around there, and also see liquidity here right in this area. I do feel like we have to tap 95, 96, 97. I do feel like we have to tap that area. First, I do think we need to break these lows, something like that, or we just come straight up, grab liquidity, and then we start reversing, right, and look to head for that daily flip. So something like that, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we see something like that. Like 23.96 get tapped, we break the highs once again, just fake people out, right? Because when we tap here, people are going to be selling like crazy. So we fake people out just once, break the highs, have a big top wick here, and then head down and finally flip on the daily. So that's what I'm looking at pretty much. I'm looking for sells above these highs right here, right? Looking for sells once we break these highs. After we grab liquidity to come down. Otherwise, on the lower time frames, I'll look here. We could definitely take buys above here, just to fill the range up to 96, like I said. So buys above. For sells, I would have to wait for sells below here. I have to wait for sells below here. We look for an overplay down to fill the range, right? And preferably would be even lower, to be honest. Like, that's a strong range right here. It's a strong area. Right here. Sells below here would be amazing, guys. Why? Because once you come down here, usually you'll push that extra 30 pips just to flip. Right, when you're that close to flipping on the daily will push that extra 30 pips just to flip. So we'll wait for tick sells even below here. If we come down now, it's going to take a while. Because it's still 200 pips away, but... Hey, we've seen these moves before, we can see them again. Look at the beautiful rejection, guys. I mean, heavy uptrend. We do have to see a reversal pattern, meaning we do have to see us break these lows, right? We do have to see a shift of structure. And that's what I'm saying. If we close below here, right? Because that's a shift of structure. The closure below is shift of structure. So we come down here, we close below, right? And then we come, retest, and then we get back, right? And then we pull back, and then we keep going down. And that's going to be the reversal pattern that we're looking for, right? Close below, retest up again, and then come down. You can even call it a head and shoulders, you can call it whatever you want, right? But that's the reversal pattern we're looking for on the lower time frames, to then continue down and flip on the daily time frame, which, as we know, is a 95% chance of happening. If not that, then the next daily has an even higher percentage of flipping, so, or compensating for it. So yeah, we just play based on probabilities, guys, nothing else. My strategy, as you know, guys know, is just based on probabilities, nothing else. Alright, we got some questions here. Let me see. We're from one from Sweden. So you haven't taken my tea? No, not today. No, it's pollen, bro. It's not. I'm not getting sick. Maybe I'm getting sick. It's hella cold in my room. I'll put on my slides. How the fuck do you pull a 95% win rate this month? You crazy type shit. How? Disciplined playbook. Create a playbook. Backtest it. Play based off of numbers. Play based off of probabilities. Try to stay as stoic as possible. Only take A+ setups. And yeah, you're good. Not as hard as people make it up to be. Hey brother, much love from Italy. I've been back testing the 4-hour compensation play on crypto, and I have to thank you. That play is fire. For now, on 20 trade, 4 loss, 16 wins. We know, brother. We know, brother. What app do you execute the trades on, or are you trading on TradingView chart? App, MT5. TradingView I just use for analysis. I wanted to sell from 88, but was not given opportunity. 88? Oh yeah, that's a good rejection though. Bard, can you check charts? All right. Now, this gentleman here is asking, is this a valid compensation play? Now, you do not have the the no-wick indicator, which makes it hard to see if it's actually a no-wick, but assuming it's a no-wick, it's a real no-wick. Yes, it does look very valid to me. It does look very valid. Or, you know what? Half valid. Why is it half valid? Because it looks like, I can't see the rest, but it looks like you're in a downtrend. Also looks like you're retesting up here, right? See, it looks like you're retesting. Also, you fill the previous wick. So what you would look for here is you would look for this candle to have a smaller top wick. You don't need a no top wick. You need a smaller top wick right here. So maybe it hasn't filled the top wick completely, but since it's filled the top wick completely and also didn't break the highs, then it's iffy. But I'd say it's still pretty valid, definitely. Especially if you're tapping. I don't know where you're tapping here, but because I can't. The thing is, I have to see the rest because I don't know where your levels are at. It all depends on where you're tapping, because you might have closed back into range and retesting the support now. So yeah, it all depends, bro. I can't tell you with this, just this picture. I have to see the chart. I mean, sells would be good below 79. Yeah, exactly. That's where I have my sells as well. Below 79. 92.5 we can get opportunity. Sells from 98 would be good. From 98? Yep. Top of my range, exactly. Top of my range. But I do believe we're gonna break the highs though. I do believe you're gonna break now I'm not saying I don't know if we're gonna come up here, but I'm saying if you come up and retest these highs, I do think we're gonna break the highs, grab liquidity first, fake people out. That's what I believe. That's what I've seen like it's so evident. I've seen it happen over and over again. I've even gotten faked out myself because of that. Sells from 98 on first tap. I'd wait for the second cross, bro. But yeah, definitely a good area. Also 93.5. Okay, so one here, yeah. Got you. Bro, it didn't even cross twice. What the fuck? No, he's talking about if you come down. Like he's not saying it's a competition play at the moment. He's saying is it valid if you come down. I'm assuming that's what he means. Remove trades today from the bottom. Oh yeah, my bad. I'm talking about the guy's screenshot. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I think he's talking about if you cross this twice. Now, right now it's not valid because you haven't crossed it, but I think that's what he's assuming that it's gonna come down and cross it twice. I think so, but if not, then yeah. Oh, that's the classified documents. Almost went into Moz chat. Bard, SA, Creed, Noah, Go Traders. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Hey, man, we're doing our best. Nothing too crazy. Bardingo, nothing's classified. I already have the sauce, bro. No, that is classified, bro. That is classified. You don't have as much sauce as you think you do. There's a reason you guys also... There's a reason a lot of people have tried a competition play, but they don't get the results that I get. You gotta have the sauce, and then you gotta have the meal as well. You gotta have something to put the sauce on. You can't just have the sauce, guys. But yeah, chat, I mean, hopefully price isn't this slow. Hopefully we start getting some movement here, because right now price is hella slow. Right now price is hella slow. Hey, WSA though? WSA sent the crypto signal 57% on the first one, or the second one 25% on the first one. W crypto signals, man. Wait for NY open, hopefully volume. Yeah, 12 minutes here, boys. 12 minutes. Como plays garbage. I don't know what Como plays. It's probably garbage. I don't know. I've never tried the Como play. I know the comp play though, and that's far from garbage. We have moved 280 pips in buy direction today. I feel like we should look for sells. Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. That's what I said from the beginning. We'll look for a reversal and a sell. That's why I'm heavily bearish. Competition plays garbage. You're garbage, bro. Relax. Nah, it's just banter. Ask him what he doesn't like. No, it's just banter, bro. I know David loves the compensation play. I know he uses it in secret. David uses it in secret. David skinny? Yeah, bro. I know. Alright, chat, we are slightly pushing up. We do have a hard time breaking 2388.4 here. So, I mean, it is a very strong resistance, to be honest. Very strong resistance. Still heavy uptrend, right? You do have a... I mean, you do have a beautiful sort of trend here. I don't usually use trend lines, as you guys know, but if you want to use a trend line, I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Survey, let's see, or how many prefers what comp player no we play. That's actually a good idea, Jose. That's a really good idea. Yeah, guys, let's see that. I'm gonna make a poll, and I'll let you guys vote. The no wick play or the comp play, and I want to see which play you guys prefer. They're both almost equally high win rate if you use them perfectly, or if you use them right with the rules and stuff. Let's see here. I can't choose. Personally, I can't choose, guys. I can't choose personally. I think they're both great. I think they're both great. Alright, guys. Let's vote. It's pretty even. I think the compensation play might take it though. The compensation play is more popular. That's the thing. It's more popular. It's kind of been my trademark play now. Big Brain prefers them in combination. That's facts. That's actually facts. Like the A plus 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 plus, like the best one you could take is a combination of both. I think I've never lost a trade like that. Yeah, I think the compensation play might take it. Yeah, compensation. I knew the compensation play would win. It's definitely more popular. Do resistance and support become stronger as they get tapped or weaker? That's a good question. I'm actually go through that. One sec. I just want to see which ones that. I think, yeah, the compensation play takes it. The compensation play takes it easy. Yeah, I knew the compensation. The compensation play is more famous. That's the thing. It's much more popular. There you go, David. We can accept an apology whenever you're ready. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Compensation play happens more often though than the no wick play. Because the no wick play happens a lot, but you have to look for a breakout. That's the thing. The no wick play combined with a breakout, it's different. Right? Because almost all of the candles you guys see were no wick candles at the beginning, and then they flipped, and they became wick candle. But in the beginning, most of the candles were no wick candles. But yeah, you don't usually get a no wick above the range. It's more popular, but the no wick is better, or you don't last long in a trade too. I'm biased because I've had the no wick for a while now. No wick play, the thing is people could not be able to identify levels and what goes below. Yeah, that's the thing. The no wick play is harder to use. Because a no wick play you also have to be able to identify levels, liquidity, everything. Right? You have to be able to read the previous candle, and like there's a lot more that goes into no wick candle. The compensation play literally need two things. You need the wickless candles indicator, and you need to be able to identify the trend. If you have a good trend identification and you can see the trend, that's all you need, nothing more. Pretty much. Not right now. You can add other things, and the win rate will increase, obviously. But you don't need it. You can still have a really high win rate with just the compensation play and the trend. You think daily can still create a bottom wick? Yeah, bro, of course. Daily has still a lot of hours left. You can get killed like we got killed in the last 30 minutes, no wick the other. Yeah, exactly. That's why the no wick is a little dangerous. But I mean, as long as you close below or above the ranges, you should be good for the no wick. Should be good for the no wick. But both works the best with the trend and the breakout. Anyways, he asked a great question here. Muhammad asked a great question. Do resistances and supports become stronger as they get tapped or weaker? So, here's my answer to that. And I would say that they become weaker. Right? The more a resistance or a support gets tapped, the weaker it becomes. That's first. But the more it gets tapped, the stronger the indication that it was a strong resistance, right? So it means that if you have, for example, if you have a resistance and it taps it 4 times, right? That resistance is weaker the 4th time than the 1st time. But that resistance is still stronger than a resistance that only got tapped once. So the more taps, the more taps indicates that it's a strong resistance, but it's also the last tap has made it much weaker than the first tap. If you get what I mean. So it's kind of, maybe I'm not explaining it well, but I hope you guys will get what I mean. It's better for me than, okay. Yeah, so I mean, just think of it like that. The more you tap it, the weaker it gets. But it's also, the more you have tapped it, the bigger the indication that it's strong. Or the stronger the proof is that it was a strong rejection, right? Which means that the more times you tap it means that once you break out, you're gonna push further than if you tap it once and then you break out, right? Because the stronger the blockade, the bigger the push is gonna be once you break it. The weaker the blockade, you don't need more. Because you need a lot of volume to break that. But if it's a weak blockade or if it's a weak resistance, you don't need a lot of volume, which means that you don't necessarily have to push after breaking it. But if you have a lot of volume and you finally break, then the volume is going to flow freely, and you're going to get a strong push. So, I mean, yeah, I hope that made sense, guys. Hope that made sense. That's the best way I could explain it. But yeah, that's pretty much how I see it, at least. Right, so for example, here's a great example. You see this resistance at 2380? You guys see the resistance at 2380? strong resistance, right? Strong resistance. Strong resistance. And each one of these taps broke it a little bit. So each one of these taps got weaker, weaker, weaker. It's like punching a wall. Weaker, weaker. And then once you broke out, you had needed a lot of volume, and then you broke out for like 100 pips. Right? You broke out for like 100 pips. Look at this. Just waterfall. Boom. Blockade has broken and just fell. But now, since you've already broken it, the next time, it didn't respect it. Didn't respect it. You see? Because it was already broken. It was weak. It was weakened. You've already had so many taps. The resistance has already been tested so many times. So yeah. Whereas, for example, if you have one tap here, one rejection, it's not a strong indication. So the next time, you just broke through it. So yeah. Minute closure above. Yeah, should see a retest on the fill, guys. Should be able to see a retest on the fill up. Not a no-wick play though, so I'm not gonna take it, but yeah. Could see a refill into this 30, 23, 88 range. So once you get a bottom wick here, this could be a good buy opportunity around these levels right here. To then flip and fill the range up, and maybe then we could look for sells up here at 95. Yo, Bardinho, what's up, Webs? How you doing, bro? Long time no see, man. I haven't seen you in the stream in a while. The GOAT ICT is live. I don't know. I don't know about all that, bro. He needs to stop dissing other streamers. ICT. Top wick creator still in? No. Since we have a top wick, I'm not gonna get in here. Since we have a top wick, you guys know how it is. We have to be very strict. That's New York Open as well. All right, New York Open should bring some volume. Like, remember, guys, it doesn't bring volume immediately. It takes some time to bring volume, but yeah, should see some volume here. Dude, if this only had a no top wick, bro. Perfect. Would have been a perfect play. But since we had a no top wick, we can't take it. Even though it was a small one. Now, I have been experimenting with small top wicks lately. That sounds... Dude, that sounds bad. But I've been experiencing with I've been experiencing with candles with small top wicks. I see how they also react to a no wick play. And it kind of depends on the volume. It depends a lot on the volume. It depends on the breakout, and also depends on the previous candle. So if you have a lot of volume, you can still get away with it. But and if you have a wick to fill, then you can get away with it. But other than that, it's pretty hard if you have a top wick. I mean, the win rate decreases a lot. Like, I'm talking about a lot. Like maybe fivefold. Not maybe fivefold, but like maybe 3x. But the win rate decreases a lot once you have, as soon as you make that small bottom wick or top wick. Nah, you Bard, you'll be the GOAT once you stop offending other streamers. So how is me offending other streamers gonna determine if I'm the GOAT or not? When the GOAT should be determined based off of skill. I don't know, bro. I don't know. And I'm not saying I'm not even close to that, to being called the GOAT. And frankly, I don't even care about being called that. But I'm not even close. I wouldn't consider myself even close. They're way like people are different, man. People that you don't even know about. I just do my thing. I just do my thing to the best of my abilities. Because the GOAT is good in all aspects of life. That's I don't agree with that. I would say Floyd Mayweather is a GOAT to boxing, but he was definitely not a good husband, or even a good person for that matter. As far as we know, he dissed a lot of people. It was hella. He's very, very, very cocky. So that definitely not. I mean, it depends on what you call it and go for. Are you go to boxing? Are you the GOAT of golf? Are you the GOAT of trading? Are you the GOAT of... Yeah. This month the win is only in the stream or without stream? Both. So the loss we have... Oh, this month wins? This month wins is stream and signals. So almost pretty much every trade I take. So stream and signals. So I think maybe like 14 or 15 of those this month are stream, and then the rest of the 6 or 7 is perhaps the signals, something like that. They gotta brush their teeth before they had breakfast. After they have breakfast, before they start yelling in front of each other trading. The Wall Street people. Dude, I'd hate to be there, man. Alright guys, we're pushing here. We're not quite tapped that area. We tapped 92. Literally one pip from 93. Dude, I'd hate to be here, man. I would despise, like, imagine sitting here and trading, guys. I'd hate it. Couldn't be me. Holy shit, I didn't even see that push. God damn. Let's see here. The 4 hour has 3. The 4 hour closed earlier. 4 hour closed respecting. Oh, I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm not surprised we pushed down. The 4 hour closed respecting, guys. 4 hour closed respecting, grab liquidity. Yeah, this could be a nice reversal though. Could be a really nice reversal. Now let's just wait for sells. Unfortunately, we did expire my range here. But if you close below and make a top wick, then I would be happy to take sells. Shall we enter sells? No. Not just, I don't enter sells just based off of this. Anybody that's new to the stream, guys, I don't just enter positions. I wait for one of my plays from my playbook. And then I enter. That's all. 93 tapping played pips as assessed. Please, 150 pips. Yeah, it did play out, bro. But we didn't quite tap 93. We were like 2 pips away. But yeah, basically tapped that area around 93. But if you have a sell limit at 93, you probably wouldn't have gotten activated. But yeah, bro, it was a great area. Seems to have respected these wicks. I'm surprised we didn't tap a little further up though. Creed thinks, yeah, Creed is different, bro. Some NPCs in chat, man, I can't lie. They're looking at the charts in Wall Street or other instruments. Honestly, guys, I have no idea what those guys do. I have no idea what the Wall Street people do. I don't know if they look at charts. I was supposed to look at charts, but I don't know if they look at numbers, charts, indicator. I have no idea what those people do. If someone compares you to a streamer on your own stream, and the first thing you do is talk down on the streamer, what does that say about you? I don't know, it says I'm competitive. 30 minute no top wick. It does have a top wick. I don't know which I don't know which candle we're talking about. Bro, if you guys ever bored, just go and look at the open chat and trading view. You have a lot of traders just beefing. Everybody trading different strategies. And some of these guys actually give good positions and everything. But yeah, I used to do this back in the day when I was bored. I used to come in here and chat with people. The things I've done, man. When I first started trading, bro, shit was lonely as hell. I had to literally, I had to socialize in trading view. Bard, we were discussing for sales and this is what happened. Yeah, bro. I mean, yeah, man. That's how it is, bro. So we fucking do it. But we didn't execute, so it doesn't really matter. Because as long as we don't execute, we could talk however much we want, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it played out perfectly. Played out perfectly. Good job, boys. Buys. You guys think you should buy? Maybe the daily flip is coming. Drum roll. Drum roll. Is the daily flip coming? I don't know. Tell me. You tell me. But this could also be a quick liquidity grab, guys. I don't know why we pushed this hard, to be honest. I mean, it was way overdue. I think we should have reversed a while ago. The fact that we even pushed this high up is surprising. You got a trade today? I mean, I got a trade at 3 a.m. Now, if you call that today, yeah, but not on stream, no. All right, I guess we end the votes here, and the compensation play has won. Congratulations to the compensation play. 69 votes. Congratulations to the compensation play. I mean, we knew what the results were going to be, guys. Compensation play is popular. We also get it more often. Also, a lot of people seem to like it more. But I'd say a combination of both. If you have both plays, then you should be good. If you master those two plays, both of the plays, compensation play and no wick play, then you're good. Trust me, you're good. Interesting, guys. Let's see if we can close below 23.75. This 5 has no top wick. 15 closes in 2 minutes. You know what would be perfect here, guys? A perfect play would be something like this, right? Here's what a perfect play would look like. So if we get this, guys, I'm entering with I'm selling my house and entering. If we get this, guys, I'm in there. I'm diving in. So let's see now. Hopefully the next 15 doesn't give us a top wick, but like the way price is moving right now, it probably will give us a top wick because its price is very volatile. It's not like it's just moving in one direction. It's kind of pumping up and down all the time. So 74.49 for sells may give us a sell opportunity. 74.49. All right, so 49. So below these lows here. It's below this low. Do you play Brawl Stars? Oh no. No, I don't play Brawl Stars, bro. I'll play 2 games. I play Fortnite and I play League of Legends. Sometimes. Very rarely I play League of Legends, but I play mostly Fortnite. And I also play the charts. Clash Royale solos. Is this guy talking about mobile games? This guy, bro. Alright guys, we are pushing down here. 15 is closing. Ooh, guys. Ah, dude, close respecting and you have a small bottom wick. Tough. Tough, guys. Tough fucking candle. Yeah, boys. We'll wait here. We'll wait for the 30 to close. I guess that's hourly as well. Yeah, 30 and hourly close and we can get a position of 30 and hourly. But as long as we don't break these lows, then yeah, not much we can do. And also we do need to close below 23.78 now. We want to take sales below this range, but since this range already got filled, it's expired and we can't do anything. Now we'll have to wait for below 75.961. Five-minute no top wick. Yeah, I saw that. Might get a 5-minute compensation play. I mean, dude, the 5-minute compensation play is not as high win rate as the 15 and 30, of course, but it's still not bad. The 5-minute compensation play is not bad. It's a high win rate play as well. Obviously, it's not as good as 15 and 30, like I said, but it can still work. It can still definitely work. Yeah, let me put on my cap, bro. I feel like my hair is... Oh, let me see the stream, man. Yeah, what the fuck is this? It's crazy, bro. $79 to $76 got filled as assessed, please. $79 to $76. Yeah, but I mean, dude, do you have buy stops and sell stops, Creed? Because then I understand. Right, then I understand your place. But if you if you have like a buy stop or a sell stop right at, because you said from 79 to 76, and my initial thought when you say something like that is, okay, he wants it to close below, right? I want it to close somewhere there. I'm looking for maybe a play around that area, right? But it's different if you're just expecting price to tap that area and then fill it immediately, right? So you have 76 and then 79. 76, 78, 79, right? And then if you have a sell stop at 79, then that will work and that would make more sense. Because when you say 79, I see that as an area. And whenever I see an area or a rejection zone, I immediately think of a closure below or a compensation play or a no-wick play. I don't just take them immediately. We were expecting a fill, but we're waiting on entry as well. Yeah, that's what I do. So I expect to fill. I expect my ranges to get filled. I expect price to move in a certain direction, but I don't enter until I see one of my plays or until I see an entry. I generally play buy stops and sell them buy limits. Okay, then it makes sense why you're saying the things you're saying. Yo, by the way, guys, we're 150 people in here, but only 25 likes. How is that even possible, man? The ratio is abysmal. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Michael. That's what I'm saying. No podcast? Wait, what do you say? Storm potato. Do you have plans to be on any podcast soon, like Words of Wisdoms or Titans of Tomorrow? Bro, I'm way too small for that shit, man. They don't know who I am. They have no idea who I am. Bro, I'm new to this game, bro. I started like 4 months ago. No. Hopefully in the future, bro. I'd love to be on a podcast in the future. I got a lot of shit to say. I got a lot of shit to get off my chest. But no. Not in the near future, no. We need to keep the C2. We need people to see the value first. We need to pop off first. And then I'll go on a podcast. What the fuck, trendline shit, bro? I'm sorry, man. I had to, bro. The trend was just too beautiful. I just had to insert a trend line there. I didn't even do it. It's like it took over my consciousness. I wasn't conscious when I did this. Like something took over in me and just placed a trend line there. I don't know what happened, bro. Honestly, I can't tell you. It's respecting though. You can say whatever you want, but it's respecting this shit. Fucking new setup and all. No, it's not a new setup. It's just my. I moved to another room in the house because I thought my room was too small, and also, yeah. I just moved rooms. Want a little bigger room. You missed another line? Oh, you mean the line up top? No, we just need one line, bro. We don't, bro. We only do singular lines here, but we don't do multiple lines. It's just too much for me. Four months of pure W's? Yeah, bro. 4 months of pure value. What a push and what a pullback. What a push and what a pullback. That's like some news type shit, bro. 100 pip push. That's like some news type shit. Where are the profit glasses we don't want to lose? Yeah, the profit glasses are charging, guys. I'll bring them out in due time, okay? We can't overuse the profit glasses. I'm telling you, boys. It hurts my eyes. They're very powerful. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. Why did you take a trade at 3 a.m.? How can you like stay up that late? I mean, how can I stay up that late? I just drink a lot of caffeine and a lot of nicotine, and yeah. I also wake up a little late though. I'll wake up maybe at 11 or 10. So I don't wake up like I'm not a 6 a.m. guy. I don't wake up 6 a.m. take a cold shower. No. I kind of sleep whenever I want to wake up whenever I want. Sometimes I even take a nap. I wake up at 10, 11 a.m. I check my phone. I'm like, oh, there's nothing to do. I sleep again and then I wake up. But yeah, no, I kind of just literally, I don't know. What about uni? Yeah, I took a break from uni, man. I took a break from uni. What kind of nicotine? I use nicotine pouches. Snus, Swedish thing. Well, not even a Swedish thing anymore. It used to be a Swedish thing. Now you guys have Zins. So it's kind of a worldwide thing now. FOMC news, what do you think? FOMC, bro, honestly. I have no, like this FOMC, I have no idea actually, boys. This FOMC, I have no idea. I don't know the next FOMC, guys. I feel like rate cuts are gonna take longer. So I do feel like it's gonna be bullish for gold and bearish for the dollar. But bro, the way they speak, bro, they could manipulate however they want, and then, dude, it's so unclear, man. Right? Academic comeback is not happening. No. No, bro, there's no academic comeback here, bro. Ain't no kind of academic comeback. Bro, my academic weapon is done, bro. There's no ammo left. This academic weapon is out of ammo, man. Hi Bard, I wanted to ask you, what would you do in GBP JPY if you have a compensation on both sides? Would we just take one with the trend? Yeah, if you have a compensation on both sides, you'll take one with the trend. Yes. And depending on how far they're away from each other, you look to maybe close half and move subs or break even when you tap the other one, because there's always a chance that you can reject that the compensation regardless of if it's with the trend or against the trend. So if the compensation plays are far apart and you take, let's say you're in a downtrend and the compensation plays are far apart, you'll take the compensation play up here, and then you maybe close 50% once you tap the other compensation play, just in case. You got a swing account or like regular FTMO? I got regular. I rarely take swings, guys. And you guys have seen, yo, you guys have seen, if you guys are part of VAP, you guys have seen that I've sent the last 3 days, I've sent 2 swing signals or intraday signals, and both of them were closed within an hour. I'm just not a swing guy, bro. I just can't hold for some reason. I'm not a swing guy. I take a swing position, we're up fucking 100 pips, 60 pips. I'm like, dude, what? Maybe I haven't really got into the swing mindset yet. That's the thing. I'm so used to scalping that as soon as I take a swing, I'm like itching to manage the position. Can't take my eyes off it. So yeah, I'm not a swing guy, bro. If I ever say a swing position, it's more of the fact that it's gonna be we're gonna have a bigger stop loss and a bigger take profit. So whenever I say swing position, it's more for you guys to risk less. Because if I say sell gold now, you guys are gonna go full margin. Jeez, I'm crashing out in Sweden. Yeah, bro. Sweden is amazing. Why? Because New York session in Sweden is at like 2 p.m. New York opens at 3:30 p.m. New York opens. So in Sweden, if you live in Sweden, bro, trading is great if you live in Sweden. You can trade almost all sessions, except London if you don't want to work early. But London is ass anyways. The only real sessions you want to trade right now, Asian has been pretty good right now, and New York has been pretty good right now. And I can trade both in Sweden. I could trade early Asian till like 3-4 a.m. Sleep, wake up at like 11 a.m. Maybe even 12 sometimes. Sleep in, wake up, maybe do some shit before, get on here, trade London, stream, done. Then have the rest of the day. Right? So yeah, bro. Sweden is great for if you want to trade. When it comes to the time zones, now taxes is another story. I'm waiting for the perfect moment to pounce and hunt down. Huh? What time you sleep? I sleep around 4 a.m. maybe. Yesterday I slept at like 4. Guys, my routine is different, guys. What do you do in the mornings? Either I work out. If I don't want to work out, I usually go through my emails, messages. Yeah, pretty much that. I sit on my computer at my desk usually. Or first, I always start off my day with like getting sunlight and taking a walk. I feel like that gives me a lot of energy, so I do that. Then I answer emails, maybe do some necessary calls if I have to, answer messages. After that I stream, and then after stream I edit and work. Then I work on the course, and then I maybe at the end of the evening, night, I maybe go out with friends, and then I get home and sleep. Pretty much been my everyday routine, really. Is bearish possible? Yeah, bearish is very possible. You have a 1 hour closure here. Ideally, you want the hour is gonna close respecting, guys. The hour is gonna close respecting. This is not good. Ideally, want the 1 hour to close at below 2380. But yeah. I still feel a lot of bullish pressure, guys. King of snooze. Yeah, that routine wouldn't be possible without snooze, bro. I'm telling you guys. Snooze and caffeine. Crazy compliment on GJ 15 minute. Yeah, wait, hold on here, guys. I close slightly below though. Big top wick here. Let's see GJ. Okay. Oh yeah, missed it though. But yeah. Oh, this was the one he asked me about. So you had two compensation plays, one here and one here, right? And what did I say? I say you take the one with the trend, right? So you take this one, you close partials here. So hopefully you have closed partials, bro, or close maybe 25 or whatever you want to close, move stops to break even, and now you should be good to bleed here. But yeah, you might get another one actually if this 15 closes with no top wick, which I highly doubt it will. But if this 15 closes with no top wick and you close below, I would happily take the compensation play again to come down. But yeah, this was the one he was asking for. Congratulations, bro. That's a good position. Your USD almost had one. Yeah, the other pair is not really. Gold is not doing much, boys. We have to wait for it to close. I mean, dude, this push here kind of fucked our ranges up. Because now all our ranges are filled. Yeah, you did flip here. On the 1 hour. Should be able to fill the wick down, guys, honestly. Caught 100 pips during London. I'm here for the vibes at this point. Yeah, the streams are vibes. I'm trying to make the streams as vibey as possible as well. So we don't have to sit here and stare at charts like some old man. Not saying that it's anything wrong with being old, but you know what I mean, guys. I'm talking about like the 1990 traders, old men with suits, the Wall Street men, like that type of people. Have you heard 1942 by Antoine? Yeah, bro. Of course. I don't like Antoine that much though. I'm not really a fan of Swedish music, believe it or not. I'm really not a big fan of Swedish music. I listen to The GOAT, Drake. I listen to some country sometimes, and that's pretty much it. I took sales at gold at 440. I am in profit. Bro said the time, 440. I don't know. What do you mean 440? Where are you in the world? 440 in which country? What do you mean 440? Not the time call out. Yeah, like what do you can't just say 440. 440 where? Indonesia? 440 in America? 440 in fucking Antarctica? What do you mean 440 where? I have no idea where 440 is. You have to tell me the price. In Africa. Oh, okay. In Africa. Yeah, let me just... where in Africa? First of all, Africa is huge. Bro said I took a sell at 440 in Africa. Yeah, bro. Nice play. No, you play. I swear. Shut up, cutie pie. Stop it. What do you mean sus? That might be a woman. That might be a grown ass woman, and you're saying sus. Alright, chat. I mean, we're just waiting for 2375.9 now. That's all we're waiting for. Can't do much in this range, guys. But yeah, the hourly did close slightly below. Hourly did close slightly below. Had a wick to fill, made a pretty disproportional bottom wick, which it now broke the lows off and is driving, filling the previous wick. Now if you break these lows, should be good to drive here. So let's see. Let's see, chat. Let's see, chat. Let's see, chat. Okay. Are we really gonna respect that resistance again or support? W flex. Ah, dude. Alright, guys. I highly doubt the daily will break its own all-time high again. Highly doubt all-time high, not all-time high. I highly doubt that daily will break its high again. Like, I could almost bet my everything on it. I think this is as far as we're gonna come, 92, before we flip. But that's just me. A 50-minute close below 2380 looks juicy. Yeah, but you knocked. I mean, you already filled the range. That's the thing, right? We were gonna take sells here below this range, right? Closure here and sells down to fill the range for like 30-40 pips. But we already filled the range. That's the thing. Already filled the range. Right? So this range is now expired. So now for this range to be valid again, we have to wait for a closure above or below and then back into range. Because once you close above or below, then the range is reactivated, to say. And then once the range is reactivated, you could then close below and expect it to fill again. But now, right now, the range is expired because we already filled it. So now we either wait for a break below this range here to fill down to 2364, or we wait for a break of the highs maybe, or even a break back into this range right here, or something like that. Big stop loss, yeah, boys. Let's just do this. You know what? Fuck it, man. Let's just do this. What is this? 100 pips. Boom. I'm joking, guys, by the way. This was a joke. Hopefully nobody entered that position. I mean, even if you did enter that position, I'll be honest, that's probably a good position. Yeah. If you're gonna enter a position like that, then make sure it's a very low lot size. But I do feel like we're coming down here. I'm 90% sure. We're gonna probably come down and reverse. I have been wrong in the past though, and I could be wrong again, so don't take my word for it. Shit happens. Uh, you're never wrong, Daddy. Hey, yo. You think gold will go back to the high 90s, low 2000s again? No. Nope. Probably never. I highly doubt it, at least. Highly doubt it. I don't think. I think we're gonna probably grab some liquidity, break the lows, and then it's just gonna pop off again, and we're gonna. I mean, I wouldn't surprise. I wouldn't be surprised if we get into the 2000, 200s again. But lower than that, no. I don't think we're gonna start trading below 2000s again. Not in months. Not in the future. In the near future. No, I can't predict the coming years, but even if I could, I'd say probably we're gonna be higher than ever on gold. GG's Bard, I'm outside your crib. Sorry, bro, you're 5'7", you won't reach the door handle. You think gold scared the fuck out of me? I came back from World Cup and saw that. No, I'm joking. What do you do for anxiety? What I do for anxiety? I do the exact same thing I would do if I didn't have the anxiety. Meaning I force myself. That's what I do for anxiety. That's what I learned to do. I didn't do it in the beginning right when I had anxiety, but like once I started working on doing shit regardless of how I feel about it, the anxiety went away. So if I had anxiety about, I don't know what it is, maybe you have anxiety about going out or meeting somebody, I did it anyways. And I said, okay, let me do it, and I deal with it when I'm in that scenario. What's the worst that could happen? Die? No. So yeah, that's what I did. I just did shit anyways. And trust me, that's gonna be the best advice you'll ever hear. It's the harshest, but it's the best advice you'll ever hear when it comes to anxiety and stuff like that. It's do it anyways. Literally, force yourself. If you can't do it immediately, then maybe start slowly, but you have to do the thing that's giving you anxiety. Ever lost an account due to breach of contract? No. In your house, do you all speak English, Swedish, Albanian, or what? We speak a mix of Albanian and Swedish. So yeah, me and my brother speak Swedish. With my parents, I speak Albanian, and sometimes we throw in a Swedish word here and there. Yeah, bro. Sweden isn't made for people under 6 foot. Sorry, bro. I remember my friends from France my cousins from France were visiting Sweden, and they're like, everybody's fucking giants here. Everybody's so tall. I was like, yeah, I know. Like if you're 6 foot here, you're not even like you're average. Do you have sisters? No, I have no sister. I got 3 brothers. That's all. 3 older brothers. How tall are you? I'm 6'1". I'm 6'1", and I literally feel short. I remember I was in an Asian country once. I felt like The Rock, bro. All right, can we do something here, goal? Damn, I'm 5'7". Ninja Turtle. I'm a rare breed of Mexican. I'm the shortest of my brothers at 6'1". These guys are 6'3" and 6'5" average. Damn. Yeah, dude, Latinos are tall, man. Or, I mean, it depends, but I've seen a lot of, like, my friend, I have a Latino friend, he's from Chile. And he's like 6'4". Latinos are tall. The ones I met, at least. You're not Mexican, you're Mexitall. But what if your way doesn't work anymore? Do you find another one? Yes. I always find another way, okay? Always. I always find some way. That's how I operate. I'm 6'2" and been to Sweden, felt average. I know. Bro, tell your brothers the Lakers need a center. Alright, chat. I mean, if we close back above 23.58, it wouldn't be too bad for a position either. How long do you stream for usually? I usually stream till around 11 or 12. So I stream for another maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. But yeah, the market is slow today, guys. The market is not optimal today. The market is not optimal today. Wait, you guys can't hear the music? When do you move trade to BE? Depends on the play. But usually we're around the rejection area. So yeah, usually around the rejection area. Around the rejection area, if it's a no wick, I use it on the flip. Depending on how big the wick is. If it is a compensation play, I usually do it around the rejection area. So yeah. We should get sells from somewhere. Yeah, I agree with you, man. Somewhere we should get sells, but it's not somewhere that we need to find out. You know what's optimal though? What's optimal in terms of what? Yeah, boys. If anybody's not subscribed here, guys, you're an L. You're an L. If you're not subscribed, you're an L. That's all I gotta say. Because you're gonna miss out. Yo, Bard, any dinner tips for today? Dinner tips. I'm saying, what's the last time I ate that was what's the last thing I ate that was really good? Bro, I'm personally gonna eat tacos tonight, so I'd say tacos. But like tacos, like they make it in, I think you make it in Norway, the same thing. Tacos like in Sweden. Because in Sweden we have like, when we make tacos in Sweden, we have bread, and we have like a shit ton of different toppings. You have like ground beef. I'll send you a picture in Discord. Yeah, tacos is fucking amazing. That's like one of my favorite foods. Especially the way we make it here in Sweden. Like something like this is usually how we make tacos, right? You have a bunch of toppings and then you can just choose which you want, like this. And then you have your bread, choose what you want, and then you just roll it up and eat it. Usually it looks something like this, right? You have corn, you have bell peppers, cucumbers, cheese, everything. And yeah. Shawarma is better. 5-minute competition coming up. Ooh, 5-minute top weight, guys. Interesting here, interesting. Tapped right into that, rejected off of 85, nicely. Yeah, rejected, dude, what a rejection off of 85, guys. Let's see now. Yeah, I've been a part of Signals for 3 days and I have made 120 euros from 50. Damn. Yeah, the signals are crazy, guys. I mean, it's the same trades I take. So, of course, they're going to be good. Yeah, let's see here, guys. Let's see this 5-minute. Is he going to flip or what is he going to do? Bro, violated all the Spanish people by searching Swedish tacos. Bro, what? Also, we can't have our own version of foods now? What is this? Nah, man. We're just... And it's... Dude, tacos is... I don't even think tacos is Spanish. So you're the one violating, HD. I'm sure it's Mexican. Yeah, it's Mexican, bro. Yo, cancel HD, guys. Yo, everybody cancel HD, bro. Every Latino in here canceled this motherfucker. Bro said tacos is Spanish. Can't have that, bro. Can't have you dissing my Latinos here. Alright, let's see your chat. We might get something here. So here's the thing. We did reject off of 85 perfectly, which means that we should be able to come down pretty heavily here. And since you didn't break above, right, the only way you should go down is down. So below 75.9, we should get a good opportunity. So look for sells below 75.9. That's what I'm going to do. This rejection is really nice, bro. I like this wick. This top wick is great. We have a lot of liquidity to come down. Even this top wick is great, right? Look at this shit ton of liquidity to come down. I think that's enough to maybe take you down even to 60, 68 areas, right? 64 probably, somewhere here. Maybe even the daily flip. Once you come to the daily flip, you're over with, right? I do think that if we close below here, the daily flip is next. That's what I believe. So we just have to wait now. We just have to wait. I mean, sales from 2019. Should I hold? Yes, I would hold. We might get a no-wick complete. Dude, no-wick complete is a lot to ask for, brother. But yeah, we have a 30-minute closure here in 4 minutes. Let's see if that gives us something. Ideally, the 30-minute close is bearish. If we get a bearish 30-minute closure on the top wick, I can look myself. I'm Russia. Okay, I'm kidding. Yo, bro, it's Russia, man. Shout out to Russia, bro. Shout out Putin, bro. Shout out my dog. The real top G. I'm half Albanian, half gay. Took sells only a few pips profit. Item a bail to the store. See you tomorrow, Bard in chat. See you, bro. Ban HT, please. L David, yeah, L David. So I was asking, have you ever heard of the game Shadow of Colossus? Look it up, you'll like it. Shadow of Colossus? It doesn't sound like a game I would like. Because it's probably an MMO, right? Oh, no, it's not an MMO. Oh, it's like, oh, it looks cool. Looks cool. Yeah, damn, looks cool. Might try it out. Don't have a lot of time to play games anymore, but I'll try it out. Alright, chat. We might be closing below here. Guys, one of my favorite games of all time is a game called Kingdom Come. One of my favorite story games. Another game that I also like is Mafia Definitive Edition. Those are one of the story games I played like 4 years ago. Great games. Story games. Also Red Dead Redemption, obviously. And GTA. Sounds like a mobile game ads, I guess. No, it's actually great. Probably Kingdom Come. Where you guys which chat always gotta make shit weird, man. Also, Blade Runner. No, not Blade Runner. Cyberpunk is also. I really enjoyed Cyberpunk. Really enjoyed it. Great game. Alright, we got a 30 closure here, boys. 30 closure here. Ah! Come on, close below. Push. Alright guys, that's a sell. If you come up and retest 2380, that's a sell. Stop loss probably gonna be above this range at 23.86. Let's see now. Do you want us to come up further and retest 79? We also came up very quick, which is good for us. But yeah, we're probably not gonna get it here, boys. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, that's a flip. We didn't get that, guys. Unfortunately. Close one, guys. Look, I even typed out. I even typed out the signal, but unfortunately we didn't get it. Very close though, very close. Got a quick 58 bucks, yeah, I mean, dude, this is not a bad entry. I just wanted us to tap into this gray zone. I just wanted us to tap into the gray zone. That's all. And now, no FOMO here, boys. Though, no FOMO. Okay, maybe get a little FOMO. Okay, maybe get a maybe get a little FOMO here. This is acceptable FOMO. Nah, I'm joking, chat. I'm joking, chat. We allow FOMO now. Yeah, this is yeah, this is tough. Tough. Hey, that's a no-wick play though. You guys that didn't vote on the no-wick play earlier and voted on the compensation play, and a lot of people are wondering about the no-wick play and what the no-wick play is. Here was a great example of the no-wick play. Great example of the no-wick play. Yeah, we're very close. Very close. Only like 5-6 pips away from taking the position. Yo, how did this... Yo! What is this? I said we might enter position here. I didn't even type it in chat. I said we might enter position here on stream, and we immediately increased by 30 viewers. We went up to 160. How, like, what? How is that possible, bro? How'd you guys know? How'd you guys know I was about to take a position? Bro, cap, it's 147. No, yeah, right now, yeah. But at the top, we were at 160. We went up to 146. We went up at 160, and then we... As soon as we didn't get the trade, we immediately dropped down back to 140 something. But yeah, boys. Damn. Natural gas storage underrated use. Oh, was that the thing that affected it? Damn, chat. Damn, chat. We missed out on an opportunity to get down to the flip. Fuck. Loved your video about competition play. Easy to understand and no unnecessary info. Thank you, bro. Trying for 54. Yeah, chat. We missed our opportunity, bro. No. Let's hope we get another one. $74.49 did play out, but only 40 pips profit. 74.49. What do you mean only 40 pips profit, bro? 40 pips is great. To retest 54, yeah. Sell stop the daily flip? No. Or maybe. We'll see once we come there. $64.5 to $66.5 is a retest area. We're gonna fill the range down though. There's no point in us. We're not gonna reject. There's no way we reject here. Like if we're lucky, we'll get another no wick play down, and we can take that instead. But yeah, that's if we're lucky. But if we're lucky, we get another one. So hopefully that's not the ideal position. But this 22 minutes, boys. 22 minutes left, and dude, what are the odds that we're gonna get in 22 minutes? It's not high. It's not high. Because in 22 minutes, you're gonna do two things. Either you're gonna come up and close respecting, or you're gonna fill the range down. If you fill the range down, then it's GG's, right? We'll have to wait below 64. See, all we can do here is hope, guys. There's not much we can do. Yo, who's excited for Ryan Garcia versus Haney this weekend? Yeah, we're gonna fill the range down, guys. God damn it, boys. God damn it, boys. We missed the move. We missed the move. I got in. Hey, if you guys got in, congratulations. It was still a very good play, guys. But we were 5 pips away from my position, and I mean, shit happens, you know? If we start falling for these, next time we're gonna have... The thing is, I've said this a lot of times, guys. Understand how emotions affect your future. Understand how these emotions affect your trading future, right? Please. If there's one thing you take from the stream is try to understand, try to feel every emotion, understand how it affects you. In trading, specifically. If there's one thing you take away from this, guys. Because a position like this could easily flip a switch in your brain. And say, okay, I missed this position and I got FOMO. Therefore, the next time this happens, I'm gonna take it. And that's how you slowly start having these mind ghosts telling you to deviate from the playbook. So next time we might actually take a position, even though maybe we didn't close the below, even though maybe we didn't completely retest, right? And that's how we start deviating. That's how we start losing discipline. Is by falling for tricks like these. So this is this is one of the most important times to actually self-reflect. Is when you missed out on something, and you think, okay, well, me missing out on this caused me to take the play the next time, and caused me to deviate from the playbook the next time, and not be disciplined, not wait for my position because I'm scared to have FOMO again. Right? Because humans want to avoid bad feelings, and to avoid bad feelings, to avoid FOMO next time, you're gonna get in, and then you're gonna get wrecked. Because you're not following the playbook, you're not following the discipline. So be careful with that, guys, because it can hit you hard. I'm telling you, it can hit you hard. FOMO can hit you hard, and it can definitely change the way you act in the future if you let it. So make sure to put that in your brain, that regardless of how close you were, regardless of how much FOMO you get, you're always going to stick to your discipline. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you're 2 pips away, 1 pip away. So just have that in mind, guys. And be mindful. Because people that don't make it in trading are usually people that let the emotions slip through their fingers. People that don't pay attention to how they feel. Right? You have to be extremely self-reflective to ever make it as a trader. If you want to make it as a trader, you have to be extremely self-reflective. You have to self-reflect everything. You have to analyze yourself every single time, every thought, every emotion, every trade, every session, every thought, everything. You have to self-assess, you have to self-analyze, and you have to think, okay, how does this affect my trading? Because whatever you let slip through your fingers is whatever is going to control you. And you're going to get controlled by that while you don't even know what it is. Well, not knowing anything. Being completely ignorant. Why am I all of a sudden losing trades? Well, it's because you have emotions that you didn't deal with. That's why you're losing trades. It's not because the strategy doesn't work. It's not because of anything else. It's because you didn't deal with the emotions when you had them. When you got the FOMO. And then those kept lurking, and because they're undealt with, they kept brewing in the back of your mind. And then suddenly, you start losing trades all of a sudden. And you start caving into emotions. And why is that? Well, that is because you didn't deal with them. So remember that, guys. If there's one thing you can take from the stream, is remember that. If there's one lesson you can take from this, the fact that we missed the move, the fact that we missed this amazing, like, it was a really good play. 50 pips. We missed out on 50 pips. The fact that we missed out on this 50 pips, the only thing you can take away, you can't go back in time. You can't try to get in now. You can't do anything except try to learn from it. And what I want you guys to learn from that is what I just said. Take that advice, please. If you want to make it as a trader. If you don't, then fuck off and just take the signals. But trying to educate you guys here. Can we get off the Wall Street Zen speech? Nah, Jose, this is the most important things, Jose. This is the things you're missing. This is the most important things. Right? Catching positions is flashy. Making quick money is flashy. It's not gonna get you anywhere, guys. Trust me. Anyone taking the 5-minute compensation play? I'm not taking the 5-minute compensation play. I've never taken it and I'm not gonna take it now. Yo, Bard, don't say fuck off. I can say whatever the fuck I want. But that's the case, right? You okay there, Bardo? Don't start crying now. Nah, bro, I'm gonna start crying, bro. I'm gonna start crying. Nah, chat, but for real though. For real though. All jokes aside, if you can take something for the stream, take that. Like, real talk. Real talk. Everybody can say what he likes. I mean, yeah, obviously. Did you record it? Yeah, bro. Yeah. I've been recording the stream. How to put on my headset, have kids nearby. I mean, I'm sorry if your kids had to hear that, bro, but this is an adult stream, man. Wait, that sounded mad. This is not a stream for kids. So this is a, I mean, trading is not for kids either, so I'd advise you guys use headphones if you have kids nearby, because I will swear and I will cuss. That's just how it is. This is how we talk. It's not a stream for kids, bro. Anyways, boys. We're probably gonna close respecting here. 15. Oh, dude, look at that 15, man. Ah! I'm so close to taking this, bro, but I can't, man. I can't deviate. Can't deviate. We have a small bottom wick and it's closed. It closed below and it has a wick to fill, guys. It's a very good position, guys, but yeah. Yeah, there's a flip and there's a drive. Yeah, can't take it, guys. Can't take it. Can't take it. I'm sorry. Can't take it. Cannot take it. Bro gives best advices and best trading signals. W Bard hoping to be as good as you in the future. And you will, bro. You'll even become better than me. All depends on how bad you want it and how much work you put in. All depends. But thank you, man. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Means a lot. I don't think it will fill the whole 15-minute wick. You think it will? No, I don't think it will fill the whole wick. Not on this 15. But do I think it will fill the wick on the 30 and the 1 hour? Yes, but I don't think it'll fill the wick on this 15. No. So the best case scenario here is we get a 1 hour no wick play. So if the 1 hour closes below here, even below here, if the 1 hour closes below 23.77, and we get a top wick on the 1 hour, I'm happy to take sales down. Like you said from the beginning, Bard, I still remember from missing out. Zoom out. Yeah, boys, zoom out, that's all. If you've guys seen the webinar, the free webinar that I have about trading psychology, one of my main things is zoom out. Right, that's one of my main concepts. $20.75 again. You in, Bard? No, I'm not in. I'm not in, bro. If I was in, I'll tell you guys. Whenever it comes to positions, if I'm in that position, you guys will see it on stream, and if you're a part of the signals, you guys will get a signal. Every time I'm in. Why you didn't take the 15 flip? Because I've stopped taking the no wick play on the 15. Because we got burnt a couple of times in the past from the 15 no wick play. Yeah. Is that your Telegram going off? Yes, that's my Telegram going off. I gotta mute the Telegram. I'm getting this. I'm getting signals from Telegram, guys. The signals that I sent to you guys, the ones that I copy. You could say a bit more aggressive. Zoom the fuck out. Oh, now you want me to cuss. These are the best setups for no wick plays when it breaks out of a level and small trend develops. Yeah, I've noticed that too. With the trend, boys, with the trend. 4 hour no wick 61. Yep, that's a daily flip. That's a daily flip. That's the flip we're looking for to catch. Will it fill to 61? Yes, I believe so. I believe the daily will flip. I believe personally that the daily will flip. That's why I'm waiting for an opportunity to take this house down. Now I wonder if we would have. We have got on break even here, guys. Depends on how good of entry we got. I mean, I'm just asking if we took the 30 play, right? If we took the 30 play here and we rode it all the way down, we maybe close 50. I would probably close 50 or 75% and leave runners. Would the runners be out to break even is the question. Oof, yeah, it all depends on how good of an entry you got. Probably half would probably get out of break even, half would probably still be in. Did you develop your own strategy just based off trading and intuition, or is it based on already known concept of it? For example, supply and demand. I developed my strategy completely based off of intuition and experience. The strategy that I use, the Nowick strategy, is completely original. It came from years and hours and hours and hours and hours on end, looking at the charts and studying how candles move, and experiencing candles and wins and losses and everything. My exact thought? Oh yeah, you're talking about the not being swayed by FOMO. Yeah. When did you start trading? Close to 5 years ago now, 4.5 years ago. Bard play Minecraft? Nope. I used to play Minecraft. I don't do it anymore. I don't have time to play anymore, guys. I wish I had, but I don't have time to play that anymore. I've been trading for around 6 months, and I'm just starting to understand my personal supply and demand strategy. Finally seeing a profitable week for once. Hey man, good job, bro. Good job. But you got a long journey ahead of you, bro. A lot of ups and downs, so be ready. It is good that I hope you're managing risk. I hope you're not over leveraging, and I hope you're playing with money that you're willing to lose. And you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Through the ups and downs. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for this hourly to close here. Close below 77 or 78. No, 77.9. If you close below 77.9 and we get a top wick, I'll be in there. Which level are you watching now? 77. No, 77.7, I think. Yeah. Hopefully, I mean, the best case scenario, we come down even further here, but yeah, I'm gonna have my zone here for the hourly wick fill. 6 months is not bad to start be profitable if it's true. Congrats, yeah, man. But keep in mind it's only a week, so don't get too hyped up yet, right? Stay humble, stay disciplined. It's just 1 week, bro. Anybody could win in a week. Right. The hard part is not winning in a week. The hard part is winning in a week, and keep doing the same thing. Let's keep staying disciplined. Right. The hard part is keeping your feet on the ground, keeping a cool head. That's the hard part. As long as you have that, then you're fine. As long as you don't get too big of a head, because that can happen. Never think you're invincible, or never think too highly of yourself in front of the markets, because the markets is always going to be bigger than you. The market is always going to humble you. So never. Always be humble underneath the market. Always. Never. Because the thing is with the markets is that the second you start becoming too comfortable, second you start sleeping a little bit, or the second you start laying off because you think that you're too good, the market will pull you back to earth real quick. You'll learn real quick what the market is about. So always be humble under the market. Never be overconfident. Because that's what happens to most people. So yeah. Have you heard of Pepperstone? Yeah, I think it's a broker, right? I've heard of it, but I don't know what it is. I don't know how they work. I never tried it. No experience with Pepperstone. Only Blueberry Market, the best broker on earth. Use my referral code for 100% or $100 bonus once you sign up and fund your account. The part where you say the play has to be with the trend, I don't understand that. Watch a video on how to read trends. Should we call it a day, lol? Hold on now. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Damn. Now, what the fuck is this? Look at that fake out, boys. Why you guys want to call it a day, huh? Relax, guys. Chill. Do you think it'll come down and create a daily bottom wick? Yes. Yes, don't be fooled by these moves up, guys. We're coming down. Mark my words, we're coming down. We can still get a compensation. HD girlfriend calling him for dinner. Ooh. HD, go satisfy your lady, man. Can't just stay on the charts all day. It's not good for you. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. 1 hour closure here. This is a good 1 hour closure. I'm happy to take sells here still. When are acting bullish? Nah, it's just a slight push, guys. This happens all the time. It's just doing what the market does. Getting all the stop loss orders and liquid back down to flip daily. Watch. Yep. That's what I'm saying. Hold on, boys. Let me use the restroom real quick. I'll be back in 1 minute. Hola. Yeah, chat. I mean, it looks very bearish, guys. It closed respecting. But honestly, man, it's getting late. It's getting late. And yeah. Chat. I might just call it a day. I might just call it a day. Because it's getting late. There's not really a lot we can do here. 1 hour close doji. 4 hour might flip again. It's gonna take some time to eventually come down, but when we do, I'm gonna be I'll be calling out on the VIP channel once I get a trade a little later. But on stream, I don't think we're gonna get any opportunities at the moment. It looks like it's very indecisive. Grab liquidity on both sides, so now honestly it's a toss-up, right? You have grab liquidity up and out, right? So now it's a toss-up. Now it just depends on what you want to do. So we'll have to wait and see for some structure to get formed, some closures, some compensations, some wicks, some everything, right? We just need to wait for more data to get formed. So ideally, I want to take sells still. So closures below. Retest wouldn't be too bad, right? Compensation plays right here. Look for some candles, something like this, right? Look for some candles like this, wherever it is, but look for candles with no top wick, right? And then look for a compensation play once you come up and retap it, or look for no wick plays, right? Look for no wick plays where we are, either here, down here, or even down here, to be honest. If you close below 23.64, because that's going to be the daily bottom wick, which you can play off of. Because once you come down this far, the daily has to flip. That's just how it is, right? Once you come 20-30 pips from the daily flip, that last 20-30 pip usually pushes pretty fast. So yeah, otherwise for buys, I would wait for above 23.88. So I'd wait for a compensation play, something like this, right? Close above, come down, retest, and look to fill the range up to 96. Or even same thing, a no wick play. But you have grabbed liquidity on both sides, so now it's a toss-up. Now you don't really need to grab more liquidity at either side, to be honest. It's really a toss-up. I'm betting on it coming down. I think we're gonna come down here, so I might send a sell signal later tonight. But right now on stream, I don't think there's any opportunities we can grab, and yeah. Would you buy the trousers? I bought them in a store in France. I remember. I bought them like 2 years ago. Hey bro, daily doesn't have a bottom wick. What does this mean? It means that the daily has a high likelihood of flipping, which means that we have a high likelihood on coming down on the lower time frames. Because if we look at the numbers, I can pull out the numbers again. Right, if you look at the numbers here, you see that. Where's the daily? There's daily. You see that the chances of the daily closing with no bottom wick are 6% or 5% if you take the middle. So 4 to 5% is the chance that we close with no bottom wick on the daily. So yeah, which means that we have 95% chance of flipping. So the high chance of us flipping, and for that reason, I am anticipating sells here. I just need to see a confirmation on the lower time frames, and that's going to be one of my 2 plays for my playbook. So yeah, that is what I'm expecting, guys. That is my bias. That is the plays I'm going to play tonight. That is what I'm looking for. We can adjust this range a little bit now. So yeah, boys. Before you go, do you think sticking to 1 pair is good for learning, or is trading 2 to 4 okay for beginner? I would say stick to 1 pair. Stick to 1 pair and master that pair. It's better to go deep and narrow than shallow and wide. So I'd say take 1 pair, 2 pairs max, and just go really deep into that, right? You need to be able to read that pair on the back of your hand. So that's what I would say. That's what I did, and that's what works for me. What's the name of the indicator? X Ghost with a Z, wickless candles. Wait, let me see something here, chat. Let me see something here. Yeah. X Ghost, wickless candles. Otherwise, chat, not much we can do here. Pretty slow price action. Pretty slow price action. We tried, we missed a move, but that's just what happens sometimes, you know? We don't deviate, we stay disciplined, and that's what matters. That's what's gonna keep us at a high win rate. That's what's gonna keep us catching these pips. That's what's gonna keep us printing money from the markets. It's discipline, it's the playbook, and it's consistency. Those three things. If you have those three things, you're good. And that's pretty much all. For plays, I think I explained pretty well what plays you guys should look for. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video on your way out. It'll help me a lot. Join the Discord, completely free Discord for discussions. We have a lot of members on the same path as a lot of you guys, meaning looking to become profitable traders. Also, if you want the VIP service, you can purchase that as well on the website qualitytraders.com, or just click the link in the Discord. Yeah. Otherwise, I will thank you guys for watching the stream. I think we'll skip Wordle for today. I'm kind of tired, but yeah. I'll see you boys tomorrow. Same place, same time tomorrow, alright? Tomorrow we're gonna catch a trade. We didn't catch one today, tomorrow we're gonna catch one on stream. Mark my words. It's also Freaky Friday. So we have to end the week on a good note. Alright chat. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.
Is understood. She represents the other at every moment. Feeling is empathy. Every time losing a shot of time. And it's I present in my mind.
Who's that fairy who wanna fly with me? Who's that lady who wanna share that thrill? Who's that fairy who wanna fly with me? Who's that lady who wanna share that thrill?
I feel this love. I don't
The fucking streamer.